Hi guys, it's no longer news that Hamster Kombat will be launching on the 26th of September this month. That is in the next 12 days. Okay, and they have brought out the list of platform where they will be listing, which is Binance, OKS, and Bybit. And I've asked us to link it. Okay, so if you have not linked yours, I'm going to be showing you how you are going to link yours. If you're using Bybit, I'll be using Bybit for this video. Okay, so if you're using Bybit, watch this video and see how you are going to link your Bybit to your Hamster Kombat. If you're using Binance or OKS, it's also the same method. So just watch the video to the end and follow it and link your Bybit or Binance or OKS. Okay, so let me show you. All right, if you are watching this, so see, I have already linked my own. So let me take you through the process of how I linked mine. So you are going to log into your Bybit wallet. Click on assets. Okay, when you log in, click on assets, click on deposit crypto. You are going to see Hamstar there. Okay, if you are not seeing it, because I've already searched it, that's why I'm seeing. But if you are not seeing it, just type Hamstar, HMSTR. Okay, it's going to show, it's going to come out. All right, so this is your wallet address. You're going to copy the wallet address. So if you're not seeing it, just type on the search bar HMSTR. So it's going to come out like this. Then click on it, select tone. It's showing you that it's going to be listed as a tone. So select tone and then allow it to open. Okay, allow it to open. Click on OK. Allow it to open. Let's click on OK. Just read the instructions there. All right, read everything. So click on OK. So this is your wallet address right now. This is my own wallet address. I'm going to copy this wallet address and then I'll go back to Hamstar and paste the wallet address. Okay, so I've copied the wallet address right now and then I'm going back to my Hamstar. Once I get to my Hamstar, I'll click on Bybit Exchange because I want to link my Bybit Exchange. I'm going to click yes, I have Bybit. I have Bybit. But if you don't have Bybit, I'm going to click on register and it's going to take you to where you're registered. So come here and paste your address. Okay, go back, copy your IUD, that is your user this thing on Bybit. Go there, click on this human icon there, then copy your IUD, click on copy and then go back to your Hamstar, paste it there. Okay, we are going to copy our memo from Hamstar 2. We are going to copy our memo. So we are going to go back to our Hamstar, right? To our Bybit and copy the memo, the Hamstar memo. So this number now is your memo. Click on copy. It's going to copy. Then come back to your Hamstar and paste it. All right. So click on save and choose. Right. Note that once you choose, you are not going to unlink it again. So after choose, you are not to do this again. So click on save. So it's going to save right now. Well done. So it's telling me well done. Stay tuned with the update then. So I've already done this. So as you can see, I've already linked my Bybit exchange. It has ticked good. So this is basically how you can put in your Bybit exchange in your Hamstar. So also if you're using Binance or if you're using OKS, okay, this you can also use the same method and do that. All right, so this is the latest update. Go ahead and do it as we wait for 26th of September when Hamstar will launch.